So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Cure. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and tap on notifications. In this menu, scroll down and then tap on phone option. After this, tap on sounds. Now scroll up and here tap on haptics. Now here select a haptic. For example, let's go with the default one. Now go back again. Now once you are in the settings menu, tap on sounds and haptics. Now here tap on haptics. Now here you will see different options like always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, and never play. Here select play in silent mode. And the work is now done. So this is how you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.